gon' get it done. Start when we stop, we gon' get it done. Get it when we start, we gon' get it done. Start when we stop, we gon' get it done. We gon' get it. We gon' get it.
Hey, ahead of my time and that's a race against my past. Whenever they clock me, that's 2,000 on the dash. When it kinda tickles me and every day I laugh. Yeah, you know we number one and you don't need to ask.
I got the magic, feel like I'm a greyhound looking at a rabbit. Finish line so close, I reach out and grab it. I only look back just to look at your reaction.
Can't stop when we start, we get it done. Take no days off, we number one. Lace up these kicks and we run. Like this,
We gon' get it done.
take no days off.
We gon' get it done.
Can't stop when we start.
We gon' get it done.
Start when we stop.
We gon' get it done.
Get it when we start.
We gon' get it done.
Start when we stop.
We gon' get it done.
We gon' get it. We gon' get it.
Gikan sa unang tawagan na ma'am, baboy, ug karon asawa ko. Sa una pa lang natong kita, nakaingon ko nga pangandoy jud ko nimo. So mo to, ito padrapod na ko.
Dearest Baboy, happy 10th anniversary. Plano na jud ni Lord para sa tua. First John chapter 4 verse 7. Beloved, let us love one another, for love is from God, and everyone who loves is born of God and knows God. Girls, thank you for being here. Thank you.
Guys, thank you kayo sa inyo nga pag-accept sa akong invitation as best man ug mga groomsmen ako. Salamat kayo sa inyo dalan.
You are a gift sent from above. I love how you take care of me, how you understand me, especially my mood swings.
Salamat sa tanang gugma, sakripisyo, ug suporta. Dili lang sa ako kundi pati sa akong pamilya. Always nandiyon nato center ang Ginoo sa atong relasyon.
I remember how you were so happy when I said yes to being your girlfriend way back October 23, 2015, 10 years ago. Still you and always you.
Baboy, asawa ko. Pinakaunad ako kayo kong pasalamat sa tong buhi nga Dios. Kay natuman na jud akong pangandoy na makasal at tubangan sa altar. Kauban akong ginapangandoy na babae. Og ikaw to.
In case I haven't told you yet, you have my heart and my soul forever. Thank you for choosing me. I love you, Baboy. promise to respect and understand. Even at your worst, I will care for you and stand beside you. I will share with you all of life's diversities and all of its joys from this day forward and all days of my life.
Sugod karon ug unya nga mga adlaw, kapuyon ka, panington ug hangakon. Kay tungod sa sigig lakaw sa papers na iilis na yung mga apelyido padung sa kuha.
Feels like the world is crashing down. A new day is waiting, see it
I promise to love you and pray with you. Kay maog yun nakapalig-on sa tua ang pag-ampo o pag-center ni Lord sa atong relationship.
I promise baboy na higugmaon ti ka og sa mga makauban na to atong mga future ng mga bata. Kutob sa akong ginhawa higugmaon ti ka. Naara ko always imong kiliran. Wala na ko ilain pangitaon. Ikaw ug ikaw ra. I love you baboy.
Ever we're on fire, this is ours to hold. Here we are, we will shine the afterlight.
Mr. James Ivan A. Baluyan, you may now kiss your lawfully wedded wife, Mrs. Jane Ninia Estremos Baluyan.
Shine